Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15BB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue you might be facing is that the screen on your HP 15BB isn't displaying anything. This can happen due to a faulty display cable, a malfunctioning screen, or even a problem with the graphics card. If left untreated, it could lead to further damage and potentially cost more to repair down the line. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement screen or cable, depending on what you discovered during the process. To begin, make sure to turn off your laptop and unplug it from the power source. Carefully flip the device over and locate the screws that hold the back panel in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, take your plastic spudger and gently work your way around the edges of the back panel, prying it open with care to avoid damaging any clips or internal components. With the back panel off, you should see the internals of your laptop. The display cable is typically located near the hinge, connecting the screen to the motherboard. Inspect this cable for any signs of damage. If it looks frayed or disconnected, gently unplug it from the motherboard. If the cable is intact, you may need to replace the screen itself. To do this, locate the screws securing the screen to the hinges and remove them. Be cautious as you lift the screen away from the chassis, ensuring not to strain any remaining cables. Once the screen is free, disconnect it from the display cable and replace it with your new screen. When everything is connected, reverse the steps to reassemble your laptop, ensuring all screws are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, be mindful of how you handle your laptop. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of it and ensure the device is not exposed to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for updates and keep the software running smoothly to reduce the risk of hardware conflicts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.